eminyakeni eminingi edlule mfethu about 100 years ago, khona abafana abawu-2 ababezila mani ababebhizi kwenye project mfethu bezama ukwakha ibhanoyi, sebezame kaningi lode liphahlazeka leli bhanoyi ababethi bayalakha. Kwafika ubaba wabo wathi, bafana bami ngicela ningakhohlwa ukuthi thina as human beings we were never designed to fly. Iy'ngelosi kuphela ezayidizayinelwe ukuthi zindize. Kuthiwa 3 years later the first aeroplane yakwazi ukuthi indize yakhiwe yibo labafana. I-environment okuyo wakhiwe ukuthi uhluke. There is this weight yokuthi kufanele ukwazi ukuhluka kwi-environment because environment is always pulling. uTrevor Noah sonke siyamazi, kuthiwa at the height of his career wake wenza ihlaya ukuthi njalo uma eyobona ubaba wakhe eduma umhlaba wonke ngamahlaya, njalo uma eyobona ubaba wakhe umbuzo umbuzo owodwa ukuthi when are you getting a real job, Why ngisho njalo? Ingoba i-environment isihlezi kubuza ukuthi njengoba uhlukile, why ungafani nathi sonke? Why ungenzi lokho kwenziwa yibo bonke abantu, When you are built different, you have to have that in mind ukuthi you shouldn't buckle under pressure.